Hi friends, thanks for watching. Let me guess, you have a Word document that you want to share with somebody, but you want to protect it from potential bad guys, and so you need to require a password to open it. Well, you're in luck. That's super easy to do in Word, and you can truly do it in under 30 seconds. Probably more like 10 seconds. Let me show you how. I have a Word document here. There's nothing special about it. I just created a new document, added some text, and then saved it. To password protect it, it's super easy. You just need to come up to File, Info, and then Protect Document. Choose Encrypt with Password. Enter your password. Hit Enter. And then you'll need to confirm. Hit Enter, or you can click OK. And now a password is required to open up this document. I'll come back here. You do need to save. So I'm going to close out of the document and go open it again. I'll double click to open. And this time you'll see that we're prompted for a password. And voila, that's it. Super easy. Now at some point you might want to remove this password. For whatever reason, you just don't need to protect it that way anymore. So to do that, go through the same steps: File, Info, Protect Document. And you might be looking for something here that says Remove Password or Unlock Document or something like that. It's not super obvious, but you actually go back to Encrypt with Password. And then all you need to do is just clear out that password. Just delete everything that's there. Click OK. Close. Save the document. And now when we go back to open it, there's no password required. Easy peasy, huh? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might like another video I did about 5 Word hacks, things that will make you more productive in your day-to-day Word life.